Hello guys, welcome to Smart Wave channel. So in this new video we will look about the blood. So the blood is one of the most important thing in our body because it has many important functions such as transporting oxygen to the other parts of the body, and it also protects us from various kinds of viruses and also bacteria that get into our body. So let's get started with our main topic, which is the components of the blood. So the first thing we have here is the red blood cells. So these cells are the cells which transport oxygen to the other parts of the body, and they are unusually small in size and they do not have a nucleus. This is because it makes more room for the hemoglobin to carry more oxygen as the blood circulates around the body. So what is a hemoglobin? So the hemoglobin is the red pigment that is in the red blood cells which carries the oxygen, and it can be also described as a packet because that is where the oxygen will be stored. So this is the function of the red blood cells and what does it contain. So the next thing we are going to look about is the white blood cells. So these cells are larger than red blood cells and they do have a nucleus. So this nucleus instructs them about how to defend and how to approach the virus and also the bacteria that get into the human's body. So the function of this white blood cell is to capture the bacterium and also viruses and kill it. So how does it do this? So there are two main ways it can do this. So the first thing is this white blood cell put out fingers and capture the bacterium and then produces enzymes which kill and digest the bacteria. And the other way is that it produces antibodies which kill the bacterium or viruses that get into our body. So these are the two main ways the white blood cell can protect us from the viruses and bacteria. And the next component of the blood is platelets. So these platelets are little fragments of cell which help us to heal and seal the wound that are caused by injuries and also cuts. So how does this process work is these platelets produces fibers when we get a cut, and these fibers holds all the red blood cells in a place so that it does not flow out of the body. So this is how the process works. And the last component of the blood is plasma. So the plasma is the liquid part of the blood and it is in a very pale yellow color. So what are the function of plasma is that it carries around the dissolved substances in it such as sugar. These dissolved substances are then transported to the other parts of the body such as to the other cells as the blood circulates around the body. So these are the four main components of the blood, and that's all for today. Hope you guys learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye guys. See you on the next video.